It's sad to say the youth them become enemies of them own self and them own black brothers and sisters. The raping, the robbing, the killing. Yo, it too much. And I if you know, say at the end of the day, unity and love are the only solution. Don't get confused. Because Babylon trick you know, and then them evict you know, them inject and sick you know. Should I be excited today about Black History Month celebration? Long before my existence, there's been tragedy across the nation. It's all over social media, it's on TV, it's in the paper. Wake up, Jamaica. Too long we've been sleeping. Darkness creeping up on us. Demons unleashing. I'm screaming for help. I'm pleading. I'm bleeding. But you don't care. Too distracted on your phones. You are never there to say I'm with you. You're not alone. We fight against each others, but never fought for our rights. Some fighting for position, only few fighting for better life. And as we start progressing, Dirty Bad Mind want to take our life. This was not what Marcus Garvey and none of them fight for. Our ancestors who paved the way, want to think them die for. People of Jamaica, government on a plan for deal with the crime rate. We will never progress as a people if we don't change our mind state. What are you going to do about these horrific killings? Pretend they never exist? Or will you be willing to stand and fight against these insane acts? Put words to action instead of just saying that. I'm saying that if we don't unite as a people every day, the same crap. We're tired to see people are dead every day. You see, crime rate escalate like fast, like you see in Bolt a race on a race track. Artists are glorify guns in a songs. I could never rate that. And people associating themselves with killers, but they would never say that. That's just my opinion, car. I'm gonna meditate crap. Let's focus on positive energy, more knowledge, and if you try to gain that. Tell them precisely. The journey continue, them not gonna like what we are saying. Because them not like nothing positive. Nowadays, our empresses now spend time with the youth them and them now spend time for understand them partner who they be. One miss see, tell them precisely, big up yourself in every aspect. It's a joy if you know see there what we are going with a vibe, but you don't know some of the great to the fullest. But they are try entertain and educate the people and because we now come with no okey pokey. We now come with no a diddle diddle. We are come with words of wisdom. Because at the end of the day, the youth them have to know the truth. And the truth have to be told. As much as them are going like them don't want the youth them be wise and realize how powerful they are. Almighty Jah guide and make me tell you this, evil doers, evil people. You can't win, you can get rid of some of it physically. But our ancestors reign. So make me tell you this. You can fool some people sometime, but you can't fool everybody all the time. The journey continue. Never stop.